Asha, a 2-ton Greater One-Horned Rhino. One of the biggest species of rhino, they were once found all over India, but almost died out there. So breeding them is vital.
Asha is a strong, independent woman. She knows what she wants, and as soon as she's got it, she's off. Asha's perfect day, I'd say you'll see her out grazing. And if it's hot, you would just see Asha in the pool. A lot of people think she's a hippo, actually, because all they can see is those ears.
At 11, she's already successfully raised 1 calf. And now she's pregnant again by her partner, Benny. But Benny will play no part in what comes next.
All right, let's go and let her in.
Hey, Asha. Oh, that big belly, you just about get through. Greater One-Horns, they have to wait 16 months for that baby to come. I don't know how I'd feel about being pregnant for that long. No, definitely not. I'd rather it was Asha, thank you very much.
Thanks, Asha.
She's got a muddy mouth.
Asha's baby is due any day now.
It's a big belly, isn't it? See?
Inspecting her underbelly is one way to tell whether she's going into labour.
So we spend a lot of time sort of lying on the floor, looking up, trying to see if we can see some teats. You bend down, you sort of are trying to look up her skirt, basically, trying to get a good picture.
This afternoon, Asha is starting to behave strangely.
Asha.
Come on, you.
She's getting more restless. She's kind of a bit more grumpy. She's not really eating, which is very unusual because they do generally love their food. It just looks like she's kind of getting ready to give birth. She's getting closer and closer as kind of the day goes on.
Asha's labour could take up to 2 days.
You feel like you're going through it with them, and so you want to be there, and you want to hold a hand through it, but you can't. So you just have to sit back and go, yeah, Asha, you're going to do a good job.
In the rhino house, Asha's labour is beginning. But she's struggling to find a comfortable position. From now on, she's on her own, just as she would be in the wild.
Often they like to do it and it's nice and quiet. When everyone's gone home, when it's dark. It would be nice to come in tomorrow and see a little one running around.
With one last push, Asha's done it. Now she needs to clear the protective sac so her calf can breathe. The new calf is only the second one-horned rhino ever born at the zoo. He now needs to get to his feet and suckle.
Straight after the birth, what we'd like to see happen is the calf to be trying to stand up. If it didn't stand up after, especially the first few hours, you would be starting to get worried.
It's 7 a.m. at the zoo. And the keepers have come straight to check on Asha.
Yeah, girl. Hey.
To their relief, they find a healthy baby rhino, steady on his feet and suckling from mum.
It's cute.
She's really calm, isn't she, like?
Yeah, she's chilled out, she's knackered.
16 months we've been waiting for this, and it's happened. It's finally here. It was a textbook birth. We knew she had it in her, we knew she would do great, and she did. It's exactly how we would have wanted it to go.
Leave him to it. Awesome.
Mum and baby will be kept indoors together for the next 48 hours.
These first few days, he's just trying to work out what is life. Natural instinct is to be a rhino, but he hasn't learnt his natural surroundings yet. He hasn't got used to anything. We sort of want to see Asha, first of all, leading him, showing him the way, teaching him the behaviours of how to be a Greater One-Horned Rhino.
In the rhino house, Asha's baby is just 2 weeks old. And keepers have named him Aquino.
The little one is super cute. He is like adorable. He's such a perfect miniature version of mum and dad.
Aquino is about to be allowed out into the main paddock for the first time. If he's brave enough to follow mum.
He was a bit cautious about coming out through the door. He'd only seen kind of the inside of the house.
So when we did let Asha and Aquino out, straight away, he's just trying to work out what is that big, crazy world out there. He struts out thinking, oh yeah, I've got this. And then he kind of, oh, what, Mum, have I got this? Like, oh, hang on, what's that over there? Is it another rhino? He has absolutely no idea what it is. It's the same size as him. I'm just going to stand behind my mum's legs and everything will be okay.
Like all mothers with young, Asha is at her strongest and most formidable right now. She's looking out for anything that could harm her baby, including the herd of brow-antlered deer they share their paddock with.
A male stag deer is quite confident and he's not afraid to take on even the rhino. You don't want the deer doing that with the baby. The deer could hurt the little one if mum's not paying close enough attention.
He's a typical male deer, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's got an attitude when he's got his antlers. He likes to think he rules the paddock.
He's having a little look, but...
Asha knows how to deal with the deer. Aquino has seen how it's done. Perhaps not yet. But the biggest danger in the paddock for Aquino could really test his mum, because it's the one thing that Asha loves best. The pond.
Asha obviously goes in the pool a lot. We know that she's at some point going to go in. What's Aquino going to do? He is a rhino, he should know how to swim, but our main concern is, once he gets in, how's he going to get out?
Asha decides not to introduce Aquino to the pond, at least for now.